In this video, you'll learn how to change the password on your Bitget account. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your account, ensuring your assets remain protected. Start by navigating to the Bitget website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the Bitget exchange, which features options for trading cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This action will redirect you to the Settings page where various account configurations can be adjusted. After that, find the Security section on the Settings page. Clicking on this link will take you to the Security settings, which include options related to account protection and password management. Here, you will be able to manage your login credentials. Once you are in the security settings, look for the option titled Login Password. Clicking on this will lead you to the password management interface. It's important to note that changing your login password will temporarily disable payments and withdrawal functions for 24 hours to enhance security. Proceed by clicking on the Edit button, which allows you to initiate the password change process. This will typically display a prompt indicating the implications of changing your password, including the temporary restrictions on account functionalities. Next, you will see the option labeled Change Login Password. Click on this to continue with the password update process. A new screen will appear, prompting you to enter your new password. Type in your new password in the designated field. Ensure that it meets the platform's security requirements, which may include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for enhanced security. Then confirm your new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. This step is crucial to ensure that both entries match, preventing any untended errors. After entering your new password and its confirmation, click on the Submit button. This action will trigger a security verification prompt to ensure that the request is legitimate. A verification prompt will appear requiring you to enter a code from your Google Authenticator app. Open the app on your device, retrieve the code, and next you will need to enter your current login password to verify your identity. This step adds an additional layer of security to the password change process. Finally, click on the Confirm button to complete the password change. Once this is done, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. That concludes the process of changing your password on a Bitget account. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.